Hello, welcome to Adam and Craig Do Stuff, where today we're doing Wake the Tiger. We are in the first room, which is amazing. Look how immersive this is. It's everywhere.
Looks a bit like Diagon Alley, a little bit.
Yeah, I see where you're coming from with that, yeah. Adam's on a phone. Someone's just spoken to him down the phone and made him jump. He jumped on his skin, didn't you? What are they saying?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Who is this? Leave me alone! Damn it!
So we just come through to the second room because it got a bit hectic in there. We weren't quite sure what was going on. It was very, very dark. So yeah, this is a completely immersive experience already. Like, there's just stuff everywhere to look at, isn't there?
Yeah.
Adam doesn't care about the vlog today. He's too busy getting involved with the little conveyor thing here. And there's tons of different rooms in here. There's a new room as well, isn't there, that's opened recently that I can't remember the name of.
No.
So we'll talk about that when we get to that, and we'll just sort of wander through and see what there is to offer. There was in the car park as well, there's a sunken car as well, isn't there? Like, even when you turn up, it's weird, it's like on an industrial estate, but even in the car park there's little bits of theming as well, isn't it? It's absolutely crazy, it really is.
Yeah, it's really weird, but like in like a good way.
You know?
Yeah.
Like Adam.
It's like me. It's like being in a computer game, isn't it?
Yeah. This feels very horror maze-esque, doesn't it? Having to like go through. But very UV in here. Are we glowing? No, my shoes glowing. Oh no, they're not actually.
No.
Oh, they do a little bit. How funky UV is this? A sight to see, that is. It's a bit trippy, all this. It's almost like leaving the Smiler, isn't it? What have you just found?
It's to another room by looks.
Oh, shall we have a look?
Yeah.
Oh god, that made me jump because the door sprung shut. Oh wow. That's crazy.
I thought it was just like
Yeah, I think you can go.
just like a
can you go back? Can you go through this one as well?
Yeah, you can.
Oh wow. All these little hidden routes and everything. That's crazy.
That's where we was.
Yeah, that's where we just were. Oh, so I think I know we're going back to the one where the lamps are.
Yeah.
Moving. Oh wow. There you go, lesson learned. Check doors and look for secret little passageways, because that's amazing.
These switches are the correct order to maintain the power levels. Tree.
Yeah, so we have noticed that there are a few little interactive things like this, isn't there?
Yeah, we don't really know how to work.
We're not always that good. What does he say? Can you flick the switches in the correct order to maintain the power levels in the... So what's the correct order? This may take some time.
Ah, we've done it.
Oh, he's done it!
Oh.
Ah, we've made a little thing spin and there's... Oh wow, look at that ceiling. Oh, and that's... Oh, wow. That is
that's cool.
so cool. I'm loving it. I
Yeah.
could spend all day here. We seem to be in some sort of forest now. This is beautiful, isn't it? Some sort of mushroom forest. There's a lot of mushroomage, isn't there?
Yeah.
There's a high theme of mushroom. Oh, you can go in different directions as well.
Directions.
Oh, get lost and confused. Oh, there's a little street in this.
Oh,
Hello. There is literally like loads of little nooks and crannies where there's stuff
it's
isn't
so
there? There's
random.
little in there to look through.
As you've noticed, there's hidden dimensions in these tree trunks. There's
Yes.
Now this right here is probably the closest to feeling like I'm on drugs I've ever been without actually
Yeah.
taking drugs, to be quite honest. There's like all sorts of weird like membraney stuff on the ceiling.
Yeah.
And like it's really interactive, like even just this mushroom look.
And the floor's all
Crazy.
cool as well.
Yeah.
It's like veins or something.
And there is like, no, we're obviously not going to show you everything because you know you need to come and discover it for yourself. But there are secret rooms and little
Secret
nooks
rooms, yeah, little.
everywhere. I keep hearing things and thinking people are around. And there's even a couple of actors every now and then, isn't
Yeah.
there? They just sort of seem to sort of wander the whole space, so it's sort of potluck if you bump into them. But yeah, it's really cool. So we just found this secret little room. This lamp behind us, I don't know if you can see it moving, but it keeps moving and it squeaks a lot when it does so. A little bit creepy. Now we're not going to tell you how we got here because you have to find it yourself.
But it was
but
really
it's
cool.
So cool.
Yeah, yeah.
So cool. They've got this massive tower. What did she say? We call it.
It's called the Tree of Imagination. Did she call it that?
Yeah, because the actress came through again, scared the life out of us.
It's all made of books. The tree's made of books.
Oh God, that's your hand.
Yeah, and then there's pages. The ceiling's all pages.
Oh,
So it's like a
books.
library, I guess, isn't it? Yeah,
There's
because
some
there's
little
like.
origami birds as well.
Yeah, that's cool.
So cool.
Cute.
That lamp is Ow.
The lamp is very creepy.
Lamp is creeping me
Yeah.
right out. Now this is really ominous. Look at this. A, B, C, D. Can we get through any of them?
Seems like it can open. Well, it's can't open.
We came through one of them earlier, didn't we?
There's a toilet.
Oh,
A toilet.
there you go. Laboratory facilities.
Can't actually have a wee in it though.
See if we can get through the other ones. Do you say you can't actually have a wee?
No,
No.
it's not a real toilet.
So we've worked out how to open the doors. There's a little thing here that does it. Adam's just gone into room B, sat down, and the doors have shut behind him. So I'm just hoping that he's going to come out at some point. Otherwise, I'm just stuck in here on my own now. We found a train here. Look at this. Dare you press the button to enter? Is there anywhere else? Oh, that's the only way to go, isn't it? Oh, look, you can get tickets as well.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
Oh. Oh, that's mad.
Who, what, where, when, why? Press help. We'll still have another press help.
Oh.
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 That's makes it sound. Okay, I don't think we're getting anywhere with that. But I just feel it wouldn't be there if there was no reason for it. We're on a plane. Look, we're literally on a plane. Where's Adam? He's there. Got some sort of VR thing. So crazy. Bloody hell, that's fast. We talked about there being so much to explore, didn't we? There's literally like, there's steps leading up here in this room, there's like corridors and like
Things to crawl through.
crawl spaces over here. There's some crawl space under this cupboard as well in this kitchen. Like,
There's even a slide.
it's just, yeah, we should probably just see this come down. It's a very fast slide, wasn't it? A lot faster than I expected it to be. I was a bit dazed and confused when I got to the bottom. Honestly, you just need to look everywhere because there's just little hidden secrets in every single corner. I'm just amazed. Adam's playing with the toaster now. I don't know what's going on.
Literally have to just try everything to see if it does something.
You
There's
do,
so many
yeah.
hidden interactive bits here. So just...
Sometimes you just come across stuff that is just decoration, don't you? You're trying to press buttons and fiddle with it to see what it is, but it's nothing. Violent.
We've just come to the cafe now for a latte. What's
It
it?
looks quite dull on camera, but actually it's really well, just as well themed as the rest of it.
Yeah, it's really good.
Just happened to be against a blank wall.
A blank wall, yeah, because we came to the very corner.
Yeah,
away from people. Yeah.
What did you think, my love?
That was really good. Yeah, it was so interesting. Very strange, but in a really good way.
That was that was absolutely incredible. It was so immersive. There's stuff everywhere, isn't there? There's literally stuff everywhere. There's loads of stuff to discover. There's probably, I mean, we spent ages, didn't we, wandering around and looking in every single corner, and I bet there's even stuff that we missed.
Yeah, yeah.
Luckily, like the rooms, the secret rooms are quite easy to find if you missed them the first time, aren't they?
Yeah.
Which I like, because you don't want it to be too difficult, because they make sure that you've got the chance to see everything, don't they?
Yeah, because there's like loads of different routes to take, but they often come back to the same areas. So, yeah.
So you can go off and explore, come back and then go around and... Yeah, in fact, you could get lost in there, couldn't you, in some parts?
Yeah.
There's so much going on.
And
it's really interactive. I didn't realise how interactive it was, but there's plenty of stuff to touch and to play with, isn't there?
Yeah.
Like some of the... there's sort of projection mapping, I don't know what you'd call it, it's like digital, where it detects you.
Yes.
There's quite a few bits where it detects you and sort of projects you in some sort of way onto the wall. I probably haven't explained that very well at all, but that was just mind-blowing.
So
that was
cool.
Crazy.
Yeah.
And I think the new bit is the Outerverse, which is the bit at the end. You get after the train, they tell you go into the Outerverse. So I think that's the bit that's been redone.
Yeah, and even that's quite big, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'd say that was about a third of the attraction.
Well, she said at the halfway point.
But it didn't feel as if we had as much as the running up to it.
I'm sure that's the new bit. It's at the end where it's all really surreal and I mean, the whole thing was surreal, but like at the end it gets really surreal, doesn't it? That was just I don't know what else to say. That was just unbelievable. It's such a good day out. It's
so cool.
So cool. So cool. One of the best themed themed things I've ever done in this country, certainly.
If you ever do it in October, you could maybe do this in the day and then Fear Avon in the evening, because they're close to each other.
Yeah. In fact, there's a few bits there that made me jump, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah.
And also, we came on a weekday. Obviously, it's not possible for everyone. It wouldn't usually be possible for us. But if you can make it on a weekday, it's half the price, isn't it?
Yeah.
£15, and it's literally been. We've had most of it to ourselves for most of the time, haven't we? There's been barely anyone in, which just adds to the immersive nature of it, doesn't it? When you're not having to wait to play with things. And
sometimes, if it's busy, you feel a little bit rushed, don't you? Because
people are waiting to get their turn. That bit that. With the white bit with the A, B, C, D doors, like we stood there, didn't we? And we went through every single one of them. Obviously, if it was a bit more busy and there were people waiting, it would be a bit more difficult. But yeah, if you can make a weekday, I cannot recommend it enough. It's so quiet, and literally half the price. You can't complain that, can you?
Yeah. And the cafe, I think, is entirely vegan and vegetarian, isn't it?
It's vegetarian.
Yeah.
I think there's no meat in the cafe.
No. So if you are allergic to dairy, they only do dairy alternatives.
They do. No, they do milk.
Oh,
don't
they do proper milk.
They do milk.
Oh, sorry.
It's veggie, not vegan.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So it's a meatless cafe, but they do cater very well as well for dairy-free and that sort of thing as well. Which is good for us.
They don't charge you extra for dairy-free alternatives, which is good because a lot of places do.
About that. No, they didn't. A lot of places charge you extra for oat milk, and these don't actually. That's really good. And that wraps up a fantastic day. I cannot recommend coming here. It's absolutely phenomenal. We have got Who's Zoo coming up. We have also got the UK's tallest coaster coming up very soon on the channel as well. Cannot wait.
Excited for that.
We've got a week off though because it's Pride. Anywho, we will see you next time we do.